The number of Americans fully vaccinated against COVID-19 reached 200 million Wednesday amid a dispiriting holiday season spike in cases and hospitalizations that has hit even New England, one of the most highly inoculated corners of the country. New cases in the U.S. climbed from an average of nearly 95,000 a day on November 22 to almost 119,000 a day this week, and hospitalizations are up 25% from a month ago. The increases are due almost entirely to the Delta variant, though the Omicron mutation has been detected in about 20 states and is sure to spread even more. Deaths are running close to 1,600 a day on average, back up to where they were in October, and the overall U.S. death toll less than 2 years into the crisis could hit another heartbreaking milestone, 800,000, in a matter of days. The situation is not as dire as last year's holiday season surge, before the public had access to COVID-19 vaccines, but the 60% of the U.S. population that is fully vaccinated has not been enough to prevent hot spots. The cold weather, Thanksgiving gatherings, and a big rebound in holiday travel are all believed to be playing a role, along with public weariness with pandemic restrictions. Demand for the vaccine, with recent approval of boosters for all adults and shots for elementary school children, has been high amid the surge and the emergence of the Omicron variant, whose dangers are still not fully understood. On Wednesday, Pfizer said that the initial 2 shots of its vaccine appear significantly less effective against Omicron, but that a booster dose may offer important protection. Nearly 48 million people have received a booster, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. White House officials noted the U.S. administered 12 million shots last week, the highest weekly total since May, and that's critical progress as we head into the winter and confront the new Omicron variant, White House coronavirus advisor Jeffrey Zients said. At the same time, some states, notably in highly vaccinated New England, but also in the Midwest, are grappling with some of the worst surges since the start of the pandemic. Hospitals are filling up and reacting by canceling non-urgent surgeries or taking other crisis measures, while states are strongly promoting boosters. Elsewhere around the country, Indiana has seen COVID-19 hospital admissions double in the last month, and is approaching levels not seen since this time a year ago, before vaccines were widely available. The number of people in intensive care in Minnesota has reached the highest level yet during the pandemic, with 98% of ICU beds occupied. Teams of military medics have been sent into Michigan and New Mexico.